Here's a list of the top 10 popular places to visit in India, each offering a unique glimpse into the country's rich cultural heritage, natural beauty, and historical significance. 1. Taj Mahal, Agra. One of the seven wonders of the world, this white marble mausoleum is a symbol of love. Best time to visit, October to March. 2. Jaipur, Rajasthan. Known as the Pink City, Jaipur is famous for its palaces, forts, and vibrant markets. Key sites include the Amber Fort, City Palace, and Hawa Mahal. Best time to visit, November to February. 3. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. One of the oldest cities in the world, Varanasi is a spiritual center for Hindus. The Ghats along the Ganges River are a must-visit. Best time to visit, November to February. 4. Kerala backwaters. A network of tranquil canals, rivers and lakes fringed by palm trees, best explored on a houseboat. Best time to visit, November to February. 5. Goa. Famous for its beautiful beaches, vibrant nightlife and Portuguese heritage. Popular spots include Baga Beach, Anjuna and Old Goa. Best time to visit, November to February. 6. Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir. Known for its dramatic landscapes, Buddhist monasteries, and high-altitude passes. Popular spots include Pangong Lake and Nubra Valley. Best time to visit, May to September. 7. Mumbai, Maharashtra. India's financial capital, known for its fast-paced life. Bollywood, Gateway of India, Marine Drive, and the historic Elephanta Caves. Best time to visit, November to February. 8. Udaipur, Rajasthan. Often called the City of Lakes, Udaipur is famous for its romantic setting, with lakes, palaces, and gardens. Key attractions include Lake Pichola, City Palace, and Jagmandir. Best time to visit, September to March. 9. Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. Known as the yoga capital of the world, Rishikesh is a spiritual town on the banks of the Ganges River, famous for its ashrams and adventure sports like river rafting. Best time to visit, October to April. 10. Hampi, Karnataka. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Hampi is known for its ancient temples, ruins of the Vijayanagar Empire, and stunning boulder-strewn landscapes. Best time to visit, October to February. These destinations showcase the diverse beauty and cultural richness of India, each offering a unique experience for travelers.